we got rain, so let's go fly. I got crosswinds coming from straight across the road. This road has a crown. When we land, we're probably going to land in a ditch. Whoa, it didn't want to turn on this rough road. Is something, just the wind's pulling it that way. Here comes a car. Off here. Take off, take two. I don't know what rates I'm in. Ah. All I know is I can't be in safe because I don't have safe. I should have flew it to school. The school. But I've been wanting to fly here. I hadn't flown here for a while. It's the hardest place I got to fly because the road has the steepest crown. I got a fence to my behind my back. Trees, I got trees.
Time remaining 8 minutes.
I'm flying on a 3-sail, not a 4. It's an old Admiral battery. I just want to see what I get on the app. So I'm flying out far just so I can get different stuff. See what the tracker's doing. Wind's kind of coming from right there. I was right into the wind there. I don't even know what it looks like landing down here from this way. Because normally I land this way. Oh yeah, I got plenty of place to land. Plane.
Time remaining 7 minutes.
Let's work on a few passes here for landing. Too high. Too high. Ooh, look at it drifting in the wind.
Time to start.
Definitely got to keep some I was putting some left rudder on it, even though it made it yaw, because I didn't want to yaw it into the wires there. I don't want to crash test the rig.
Time to stop. Time to start. Time to stop.
Let's see if we can get a landing in. Wow, that was perfect. And it rolls off. It flips over! Wow, that was perfect. And it rolls off. It flips over! Alright, we're going to put the radio back in the car since it's raining. We'll see what the app's got on it. We got to get Tuco for that rescue. That's funny. She flipped over. Hey, the road has crowns. There's where I put the RID ID, and it's working fine. Those two, when you take off, it goes from a solid light to the double blinking light. It's about a pause, about a 3-second pause. There we go. Not a whole lot, but it got altitude. It's got a lot. It's got some information there. I don't know if you have to have the app open to get that stuff or what. I did mark it as mine, so it knows mine. And there you can see the strength and the messages from, this is drone scan. That's the app I'm using. That's where I put the ping RID ID inside. It's raining, so we're gonna close this out and go home. This is Jeff saying thanks for watching. Tuco in the hangar car saying thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing and becoming part of Team Let's Go Flying.